Craving a warm and cozy treat? These ginger cookies are the perfect answer. Let's whip up a batch together. For the ingredients, you will need the following. Combine the flour, baking soda, and salt in a large bowl. Beat 1 cup of sugar, the butter, and the ginger in a large bowl with an electric mixer or whisk until light and fluffy. Beat in the molasses and egg. Gently fold in the flour mixture until just combined. Chill for 1 hour. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Roll the chilled dough into 1 1/2 inch balls. Roll balls in the remaining sugar. Place them 2 inches apart onto ungreased baking sheets. Bake in the preheated oven until mostly, but not fully, set in the centers and the edges are starting to brown, about 15 minutes. Let stand for 1 minute on the baking sheets. Then remove to wire racks and let cool completely. Please try this recipe and leave a comment to tell me what you think. I ask that you please like, subscribe, and share this video so I can create more delicious recipe videos for you.